Hey friends, so we're gonna draw a watermelon shark.
Here's a quick preview of how our drawings look at the very end, and they turned out awesome. This is my new favorite lesson. I love the shark, and I love that it's a watermelon too.
Yeah.
We combined them together.
Yeah.
For this lesson, we're using our pencil and also a eraser to get this main shape just the way we want it before we add the details with our black marker.
Yeah.
But you could use whatever you have. You could use colored pencils or even oil pastels or crayons for the whole lesson. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
We're using our pencil first to get the main shape. And we're gonna draw just a simple half circle. We're gonna draw a diagonal line first. I'm gonna draw it right here in the middle of my paper. Oh, the nice thing about using our pencil, we can change it if we want. I'm gonna draw it higher. So now I can use my eraser and then erase any of the lines we don't wanna keep. And you can pause the video during this part to work on the lines and get them just the way you want them before you move on to the next step.
Yeah.
Now we can draw the bottom of our shark. This is the top or the top of our watermelon. And then we're gonna draw a half circle or a curve. It's not exactly a half circle, but I'm gonna go over it again because I want it a little more round over here. Yeah, that looks awesome. You could even make it thicker and come down further, like even down here. I'm gonna erase this extra line. That's all we're using our pencil for. We're gonna switch to our marker now to add the details. We're gonna turn our little watermelon shape into a shark. First, let's draw the mouth. I'm gonna start right about here. I'm gonna draw it coming in, and then I'm gonna draw it curving around and connecting back to the guideline. So we got our shark's mouth open. Yeah, now let's add the teeth. I'm gonna start here and draw 1, 2, 3 teeth on top. You could even add more teeth if you want. I kind of made them bigger, so I filled up more space.
I'm gonna add 4 teeth.
Yeah, there you go. Cool, okay, now let's add 3 on the bottom. I'm gonna start here, we'll add a little one, and a big one, and then a little one. Then we can add the tongue. I'm going to draw a curve here. And then we can also draw the other side of the mouth. I'm going to draw it right here. And then we can color in that top shape for the back of the mouth. Now let's also draw an eye. I'm going to draw a circle right here. And instead of drawing the highlight like we usually do, let's just color it in. This will make it look more like a watermelon seed.
Oh yeah.
Maybe. And remember to pause the video if you need extra time.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's draw gills. I'm gonna draw 3 gills right here. Next, let's add the fins.
Okay.
We'll add the side fin first. I'm gonna draw a curve coming outside of the shape. And then we'll draw more of a straight line coming back up. Okay, now let's draw the belly. We're gonna draw it starting at the bottom of the mouth, trace over the pencil line and connect to the fin. We're not gonna go through. Yes. Then let's draw the other fin to make it more 3D. I'm gonna draw a curve, just like we did here. And then we'll draw it coming straight in and connect to the belly. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the top of our shark. We're gonna start here on the mouth and we'll come up to the top, and I'm not going to draw a sharp corner here. I'm going to draw a little curved corner, and then we'll draw curving down, and I'm going to draw another curve in this corner, and then we'll come back down. It's a really small curve in that corner right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Good job. Okay, and then we want to make sure we're not going through the fin right here. Okay, now let's draw the top fin. We're going to draw the shark fin. We're going to draw a curve coming out of the top. And then right here, we'll draw another curve in the corner, but I'm also going to curve into the back. So it's not just straight. Okay, now let's draw the tail. We're going to draw it right here and curve up. And then we could also draw the bottom of the fin curving down to the right. This one's shorter.
Yeah.
And then we're going to draw the back connecting down and into the bottom. This is a pretty awesome looking shark.
Yeah, it
but
is.
It doesn't look like a watermelon shark.
Yeah.
What do we still need to do?
Color it like a watermelon.
Yeah. This part we'll fast forward, so remember to pause the video at the end to match our same coloring. Now also, we're gonna use our eraser one last time before we color. And you wanna erase any of the pencil lines you can still see. Austin, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our little watermelon shark, except I think we need to add a few more details.
Yeah.
Well, just a couple. We're gonna add a little nostril right here, and we're missing the seeds.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let's add a little raindrop shape. I'm gonna add it right here, and then I'm gonna add another one, and you could add more if you want, but I'm just gonna add 3. And then another one right here. Now our drawings are complete with our watermelon seeds. And I also like that we added little water drops coming out of his mouth. And our friends could add even more things.
Yeah, like a background.
Yeah, you could add more fruit creatures.
Yeah.
Like a whale that's made out of
Pizza.
pizza. Yeah. Or a burger octopus.
Oh yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a watermelon shark.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.